Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making chocolate cake in an idli stand. This cake turns out to be very soft and spongy and very delicious too. And the best part is that we will not be using any flour to prepare this cake, neither whole wheat flour or refined flour. But still we'll get a very soft and spongy cake. So let's quickly see how to prepare this recipe. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take a mixer grinder jar into which we'll add 3/4 cup of suji or semolina. So today we are not using oats or whole wheat flour. We are using semolina to prepare our cake. Into this goes 1/3 cup of brown sugar. You can even use white sugar. Then goes 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. And then we need to grind it. Is ready. Now I have my idli stand with me, which I have already